I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file business personal property tax. First, you must identify all tangible personal property your business owns. This includes items such as office furniture, computer equipment, and machinery. Understanding what constitutes taxable personal property is your initial crucial step. This tax generally applies to assets that are not real estate. Next, you need to create a comprehensive inventory of these assets. For each item, record its original cost and the date it was acquired. Then, you will determine the current value of your property, often using depreciation schedules. Accurate valuation ensures you report the correct taxable amount to the authorities. Once your inventory and valuations are complete, obtain the specific declaration form from your local tax assessor's office. Carefully transfer all your asset information and their values onto this form. Double-check that every section is filled out completely and accurately. Remember to sign the declaration before proceeding to the next step. Finally, submit your completed declaration form to the assessor's office by the designated deadline, which is often in the spring. After assessment, you will receive a tax bill. Ensure you pay this by its due date to avoid penalties. Always retain copies of your declaration and payment confirmations for at least 7 years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.